I'm back with another Hanon exercise number 59, this time the A Harmonic Minor Scale. The A minor scale and the harmonic mode of that scale. And it shares the same key signature as C major, but with one slight difference. The 7th degree of the scale will be raised, meaning that it will be sharpened to make the G a G sharp, in order to give that distinct harmonic sound to the scale. Let's have a look at one octave hand separately and together first. Using the same fingering that we used with the C major scale. If you haven't watched that video yet, a link at the top. Go do that one first, because that's going to help you get an idea of what you need to do. Using the same fingering as the C major scale, now we're just going to start on A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, raising the G, not playing G but G sharp. 5. Bit of a stretch there, something to get used to. Playing the left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 over. Second finger on G sharp, not G. 1, 2, 3, thumb underneath. A little bit of coordination there needed. And there's the scale, hands separately for one octave. Playing it hands together. Remember the G sharp. Thumb under, left. Third over. And there we have the scale for one octave. Moving on to 2 octaves, we're going to apply the same again, where we need to reset our hand for the next octave. First, the right hand. Thumb. Now no thumb, ending on 5th. 4. Left hand. 5. Third finger. Thumb. 4. Remembering that thumb underneath. The thumb on A. Hands together. Both thumbs on A, 4 over. Both thumbs on A, 4 over. So it gets a little bit more trickier once we start doing the accidentals with a scale. You just need to remember the fingers, as well as always try to keep a bird's eye view of what's going on where we are. Doing this 4 octaves requires us again to just copy and paste the 2 octave twice. Starting nice and low. Remembering for the scale we need to do it twice, or for the exercise. At the end we have a cadential progression. Again, we're going to use the same technique that we've done with the C major scale. When we get to the end, I'm going to go up nice and high to D, right here, and I'm going to play B, F and A, 1, 3 and 5. Then E, C, E and A, having that movement in both hands, 1, 2, 3, 5, and finally ending on A with a nice big stretch between my 3rd and my 5th. You've noticed that I've added the G sharp. If I don't, it's not going to sound minor. And that is the A minor harmonic scale. Again, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, put on your bell notifications for the next scale, which will be the melodic minor scale in A. Thanks for watching.